This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty. The analysis reflects legal commentary based on publicly available information at the time of the publication. Last week, the court was on the edge of a breakthrough. Today, everything was supposed to change, but instead of a plea being entered, the entire process came to a halt for one unexpected reason. What was supposed to happen? When Ballerin Mugabe and his accused Tobias Matohodze walked into the court, this was supposed to be a turning point. A plea agreement had already been negotiated. They were expected to plead guilty to some charges while contesting others. This was calculated legal strategy, one that could reshape the case entirely. But then everything stopped. Just as proceedings were about to move forward, the court was informed. The senior public prosecutor was unavailable. Without authority, nothing could proceed. A case that was 98% complete was suddenly paused. Why this matter? In criminal law, plea agreements require authorization. Even if both sides agree, a senior prosecutor must approve. Without that approval, there is no deal, no plea, no progress. Inside the negotiations, defense attorney Sinenhlanhla Mnguni confirmed the negotiations are 98% complete. That means terms are agreed, strategy is set, outcomes are being shaped. Only one thing remains: final approval. The charges. This is a serious case. Accused faces attempted murder, possession of a firearm and ammunition, defeating the ends of justice, contravening an Immigration Act, theft, pointing a firearm. 7 charges in total. Their allegedly illegal status of South Africa increased perceived flight risk, a key factor in legal strategy. Still in custody, both accused remain behind bars. Another week passes with no resolution. The delay is procedural, not strategic. Legal analyst, the state appears to be securing partially convictions, the reduced trial risk and strengthened sentencing position. Legal analyst, the defense is managing damages. A partial plea can reduce sentencing and show cooperation while still allowing key charges to be challenged. What happens next? The case resumed on 24 March 2024. All indicators are that the plea will be finalized. Final thought: today is not just a delay, it confirms that this case is entering a final phase. A plea deal at 98% means the outcome is already forming. Next week, everything could change. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching The Sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.